Quick Pitch Month Day 1, and she has joined. Please
Hi.
introduce yourself and about yourself.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Kritigya Chaudhary. I'm the co-founder of LD Care Private Limited. So, if I want to describe LD Care in one word, I would say it would be companionship. LD Care is basically a companionship platform in which we will be providing full-time, hourly-based assistance support services to senior citizens of India. India currently has over 150 million plus elderly citizens, and this is growing rapidly in India. As we all know that nuclear structure of families is growing in India rapidly. So I'd say if I'll ask 100 number of people that how many of them live with their parents while they are working in different cities, I would say 60 or 70% of them would say that we don't live with our parents. Our parents lives in hometown. Like in today's urban India structure, people are moving to abroad, people are moving to different cities, but there's this one thing which is not changing, that our parents need companionship, our parents need human connection. And most of us have parents who are not very friendly with the technology. They are not very friendly with booking cabs, with booking food and other Blinkit and Zomato, these kind of services. Okay, so we will be providing hourly based companions to them who can assist them while walking, who can assist them for their routine checkups, who can assist them for hospitals. Many of females who are elderly now, they don't have their daughters living around with them. They don't have their daughter-in-laws living around with them. They like to do shopping, but they can't handle the weight, and they can't walk in the mall for more than 1 hour 2 hour. So if they will be assisted by companions, let's say if my mother wants to go for a shopping, my mother wants to go for a hospital visit, and I am here, let's say I'm here, this pitch event is really important for me. I would love if any kind of app would exist in the market from which I can book someone else who is just like me, and who is trustable, who is verified, who has the background checkups done, who can assist my mother just like me. So my mother don't have to worry about how do I book the cab, where's the entry gate of this mall.
Right.
I want to go to this brand. Let's say she loves to do shopping from W, from Libas, but she would forgot that on which floor W and Libas are there. She would go to let's say DLF Mall of India for 1,000 times, but she would not remember that on which floor W and Libas is there. And she is not friendly for operating the screens on which we see the map, that where can we go, how can we go. She even get hesitated in the hospital. When my father was admitted into the hospital for some times, and I was not available for like he was admitted for 3 to 4 months, but I was not available throughout the months. There were times when I was not there. My mother was, she started feeling nervous when I had to leave the hospital after some time, because she doesn't know from where she has to pick the reports, where she has to submit the samples, in which OPD room and which operation room she needs to go. She would need me, my brother, my sister, any of the family member who is friendly with the technology, who's friendly with the hospital. She doesn't remember anything like the ways where she wants to go. So this was the time when this thing did clicked in my mind, but it validated when my landlord, so my landlord is around, she's a female and she is around I think 72, and her daughter-in-law, her daughter, they live in America. They live in San Francisco, and there is this huge thing. She always seeks our companionship. but she, get hesitant while asking for it, because we are living on rent, we go to job, we come by 6 or 7. So she feel a little hesitant while asking us that you should come by. She tries to find some ways that she calls me, I've made this, would you come and eat it? So if I'll go, she would, try to have me for next 2 hours at least. But I feel really guilty that I am thinking like I want to go from here now,
Right.
because I have to do this, I have to do that, I have to go to office tomorrow. So this is a huge thing which no one is addressing, because people don't want full-time caregiver, people don't want to spend so much of money on full-time caregivers. Even if I even I have so much of money, but I wouldn't hire a caregiver for a month for my mother, because she is not medically ill. She doesn't have any kind of healthcare issues. She's just living alone, she just need assistance for an hour on a day. So she would feel like she has some kind of disability that she needs a caretaker,
Right.
right? So this is where LD Care comes in. We are trying to build the missing layer between full-time caregiving services and unreliable local help. From unreliable local help, I mean to say that sometimes even I have to face this problem. I need to call my cousins, I need to call my relatives whenever my mother needs anything, because my father is not there anymore. So after that, my mother feels really alone. She always needs someone to assist her in everything. She wants to do everything, but she doesn't know how to do it, right? So whenever I call my cousins, whenever I call my relatives, they would say, okay, I'll go in half an hour, I'll go in 1 hour. But they do, they also think that they are calling us, why don't they take care of their parents by themselves? So I obviously think that there should be a full-time caregiving services, but there should be some kind of companionship services which is on demand and hourly based. If my mother needs a service for 1 hour, 2 hour, I don't want to hire someone for a month. I don't want to hire someone for a day. I don't want to pay 2,000 rupees per day when this can be done in 299 rupees per day. So I hope whenever we scale into the market, whenever we validate this idea, whenever we get funding and we start our operation on hyperlocal launch, so I believe that people would have an application which would be LD Care. Obviously they would use it, they would, like, I would say, like, our main motive is to share the responsibility burden of working professionals of India. Currently we, all of us who are working, even you can relate with that problem. When we are working, we don't have time to go to take leave from office. If my mother's any hospital appointment is around 2 o'clock, I can leave my office, because I have to focus there as well, right? So that's the problem which we are addressing into the market. So hopefully LD Care would become that support, that assistance. And we will also work for NRIs who are living in abroad and who wants to take care of their parents, but they are not physically available in India all the time. So this would help them as well. We would provide real-time tracking, we would provide real-time data, we would even provide AI assistant. Like let's say I'm in a meeting, I'm stuck in a meeting, and I don't have time to even schedule the companion for my mother can just tell that assistant in Hindi that मुझे इतने देर के लिए ज़रूरत है यहाँ पे जाने के लिए. We would give a description panel, we would give kind of services layer, so she can just select it and she can even book for herself by her. So we would give a really simple platform, not a application in which thousands of things are going on. Even elders are not able to identify where they should click, where they should not click. So yes, the goal is to build this missing layer, and hopefully we will do it in next coming years in India.
Great, great. Thank you for joining us
Thank
today, and all the best for your future.
Thank you so much.
You.